What's going on, everybody? It's Sean here, and I just came home from work, and waiting for me was this big package from Kuwalla Tee. So if you guys haven't heard of Kuwalla Tee before, they're a streetwear brand that's located out of Montreal, Canada. So I have a pretty good idea of what's going to be inside, but let's open this up and I'll show you guys one by one what they sent me. So let's start things off with the t-shirts. So this one is called the Easy Tower Tee. Having this in hand, this is a very soft cotton, and the color is sort of like a powder blue or like a Carolina blue. So this tower tee does run long from a length perspective, so this makes it the perfect t-shirt if you guys want to layer on different pieces on top. At the very bottom, you guys can see how the back side is slightly longer than the front, giving it that tail-like appearance. And then stitched onto the back in the middle, we have this black Kuwalla logo. The second t-shirt they sent is the exact same model, so this is the Easy Tower Tee. This time it's done in white. So this is definitely a t-shirt that's going to be worn all year round. For reference sake, this is a size large, and I'm 5'11" and about 175 pounds. So next up, let's take a look at the hoodies. So first off, we have the Kuwalla Tee Crash Hoodie in black. Once again, this fabric is very soft, and this hoodie sort of fits more on the slim and longer side. At the very bottom of the hoodie, we have this elastic right here, and then on the right side, we have this embroidery of the Kuwalla logo. On both sides of the hoodie, we have this zipper that zips up about halfway up your torso. Another very nice touch is on the left arm. We have this zipper that unzips and reveals a very small pocket inside. Next up, we have the Crash Hoodie once again, this time in blue-gray. I believe this gray one is the updated version of the black hoodie, with there being slight variations to this model. Specifically on the bottom hem, we don't have that elastic band anymore. And also the cut of the bottom hem is slightly different. This is done in a scallop cut as opposed to the black one, which was more angular and disconnected. Both this gray one and the black one are very versatile, and I definitely are going to wear them a lot, especially during fall and winter. For reference sake, both hoodies are a size large once again. So next up, we have this gray track jacket that has a bunch of pastel colored accents. So this has this nylon upper with this contrast white zipper running down the center of the jacket. We have these side pockets on both sides, and then on the sleeve, you can't really see it on the camera, but there's this embroidered Kuwalla logo once again. Another little hidden feature about this jacket is there's this zipper on the back around the neck, and when you open this up, this uncovers this hidden hood that you can just simply roll away and pack up if you don't want to rock it with a hood showing. This jacket they sent me in a size medium, and it fits me perfectly from a width perspective and the sleeves as well, but it was cut a little bit on the shorter side, but I think that was meant to be on purpose because it's supposed to give you that vintagey feel. So now let's move on to the pants. So first off, we have this tan or beige colored combat jogger. This is supposed to fit a little bit more on the looser side, and the thing I really like about this is that it's cropped a little bit shorter than your usual joggers. Oftentimes when I wear sneakers, I like to pair it up with a unique pair of socks. And the nice thing about this is that because it's cropped higher, it reveals the sock pattern without you having to actually roll up your pants. At the top, we have this elastic waist with these draw cords in white. For reference sake, I'm a 32 waist, and I got these in a size medium. Next up, we have the biker denim jogger in olive. So the fabric on these pants are a little bit more on the heavier side, and then we have this distressing that's found throughout the front of the pants. The bottom of the pants has a bit more of a thicker cuff, and at the top of the pants, this is not an elastic waist. This is a button closure with the zipper running down the center. Aside from black, beige, and like navy, I feel like olive is just right up there in terms of versatility. Moving on, next up we have the Kuwalla Tee denim trousers in the paint color. So these are pretty unique because the upper of the pants are like your typical jogger, but then the bottom of the pants actually doesn't have that cuff. So when you wear these at the bottom, it just looks like your typical standard denim, but in reality, this is a very comfortable and flexible jogger. We have an elastic waist with these blue colored draw cords. The pants themselves have a very retro feel to them. It's like this light wash denim, and then we have this distressing around the knees. For these pants, I got them in a size medium. Last but not least, we have the Chino jogger in the Camel color. So these pants are more in line with your standard jogger. We have the elastic waistband at the top, we have these black draw cords in the front, but this is done in a very dark washed camo. So I like this because it doesn't stand out quite as much as your typical camo, and it makes these pants that much more wearable with any type of sneakers that you want to rock. At the bottom, of course, we have this elastic cuff. These pants have a bit more of that drop crotch effect, and below the knee, it's actually quite slim. So let me know in the comments down below which one of the items in today's haul was your personal favorite. For me, my favorite was the Crash Hoodie in black, as well as the beige combat joggers. Stay tuned to my Instagram in the next couple days, as I will be partnering up with Kuwalla to have a small giveaway for you guys. If you guys like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Give myself a follow on Instagram at esco8, and check out Kuwalla as well through the links down in the description box below. Thank you to the fam over at Kuwalla for the massive hookup, and until next time, I'll catch you guys in my next video.